About to hit 10 million. How do I feel? I feel awesome. My GIFs just hit 9.1 million, I believe. 10 million soon. My YouTube channel is now at 9,000 subs and I was asking for 10,000, so please subscribe. My watch time to start getting paid on YouTube is almost at 4,000, so please go watch the long videos, guys. If you're even in your kitchen and you're not doing nothing with your phone, click one of the long videos and make it go and run until you don't do what you do. You just pick up back your phone. You don't even have to watch it. And that's how I get watch time. So big up on yourself. I have something in store for you coming up soon. I have a surprise. Also, my new costume there. Well, I have 2 pair now, which is wonderful. When you're ready to see it, let me know. So to all the people drawing bad card in the comment section, I see somebody say, how long you think this is going to last for? Listen, there's a yin and there's a yang. As much as there's bad things going on in the world and in Jamaica, there has to be a good to counter that. And I am the good, I am the positive vibration. You see it? And guess what? You still are going to see me no matter what. I might as well just put down your phone, because as Bob Marley said, them are got tired, fi see me face. Positive vibration, people. Big up on yourself.